I'm Terry with Towers Murray Plumbing, and I'm here to show you how to repair a plumbing stem. You're going to remove your handle. Now we're showing you here on a kitchen faucet. Stems are also in bathroom faucets, shower faucets. So you'll just remove your handle and then remove the stem itself. Now each stem is held in a little different. This particular one, the stem all screws in as one piece. Now on some of them, there'll be a small lock nut that can be removed, and then the cartridge simply pulls out. Now to actually repair these, or sometimes you have to replace them. This particular one has a washer at the bottom of it that just pulls right out or pops right out the bottom. Some of them will have a screw that holds that washer in place. You'll need to match that up and get the appropriate washers. Some stems will also have a O-ring or a seal up inside of them. You'll need to take those apart to replace that. So on this kind of stem here, you've got a screw that holds the washer in place. Remove the screw, remove the washer. They also have an O-ring or a packing right below this nut here. Remove that, and that packing can be, you got to dig them out to replace them. Take them down, match up the new washers, make sure you get the appropriate size. Just reverse the order, put it back together. Make sure that screw's snugged up. Make sure the packing's snugged up. You're now ready to reinstall your stem. And again, I'm Terry with Towers Murray Plumbing, and we've just shown you how to repair a plumbing stem.